I was on a road trip with Gwendolyn, visiting my family, and purely by chance I came across this. And it's at a place called Bastard Bridge Lane. I've just been into the office and they said I can walk around and even go into the engine sheds. So we'll take a look now. Well, the locomotive there on the right hand side is a Class 160 number 5197, and it first came to Britain from the USA during World War II. Post-war it was sent to China, where it hauled coal until its retirement and returned to Britain in 1995. In recognition of the type's war service, it is painted in the 1944-45 US Army Transport Corps colours. Being well stripped down. And on the other track there's a chassis, obviously being redone. This is another 160 class number 6046, and it was initially sent to France for reconstruction after World War II, before ending up in Hungary. After retirement it was brought to the UK, where after initial work elsewhere it came to the Churnet Valley Railway, where it was restored to operation in 2012. Here we have Hotspur. Pronounce that name for me. I'm told they're getting ready for their next trip on Sunday coming. That's where we are, Cheddleton. Inside the signal box. And look at poor old Katie. Well, that was a short, quick look at part of the Churnet Valley Railway. Track's about 10.5 miles long. Thanks for watching.